This is what the leak looks like. So I'm going to put some aluminum in there, and that goes up to the top of the roof, and it comes down here to the V that goes out to the front of the house. So I'm going to put some aluminum flashing in there and glue it in there and hope that helps the leak. Okay, here's what it looks like now. I put aluminum underneath there, which you can see a little bit of it, and glued it on the top and bottom of the aluminum. So hopefully that'll hold. And I push it underneath the aluminum probably goes up to about here, and it goes over to here, and it goes over to there, and it's in between, so it covers the crack that was going right here. So hopefully that'll temporarily stop the leak.